Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 8. The name of the unit is a flash of light. Today we are going to solve book page number 89 and 90. First question is about verbs and nouns. Here are two lists of verbs. The first list consists of verbs and the second lists of noun. Can you find out what the missing nouns are? How will you find out? Verbs, action, verb, act, noun, action. Verb, injure, noun, injury. Explain is verb, explanation, nouns. Advise, verbs, advise, noun. Accuse, accusation. Satisfy, satisfaction. Complain, complaint. Inquire, inquiry. Sentence composition. Use the words above in sentences of your own. Write two sentences for each word. First word is act. We should act upon the advice of our elders. She acts in television plays. Action. Some actions should be taken against criminals. The government is taking action against illegal medical stores. Inquire. My friend inquired about my health. My father inquired me about my studies. Inquiry. The headmaster is conducting an inquiry in this matter. I want to make an inquiry about the courses available in your institute. Accuse. He was accused of theft. Do not accuse without proof. Accusation. Your accusations are baseless. You are making an accusation without proof. Injure. He was injured in an accident. Be careful or you will injure yourself. Injury. I received a minor injury when I fell off the bed. The doctor gave me medicine for my injury. Satisfy. My teacher was satisfied with my hard work. How can I satisfy you? Satisfaction. I felt great satisfaction at my performance in the school play. Satisfaction is more important than happiness. Inherit. He inherited a house upon his father's death. Ali has inherited a good voice from his mother. Inheritance. We have received a rich inheritance of culture from our ancestors. Music is a part of our inheritance. Advice. My father advised me to study hard. The doctor advised me to take rest. Advice. He always gives me sound advice. Your advice is not acceptable. Complaint. People are complaining against our neighbors. Always making complaint is a bad habit. Complain. Students complain to the teacher. People are complaining about the weather. Your teacher will now read the message that was left on Thomas' phone. Listen carefully to the message and then answer the questions. You have to read this paragraph and answer the question, why does Naima phone Thomas? The answer of this question is to tell him she would be late. Next question is, why will Naima be late? She has to finish her homework. Where does Naima have to go when she leaves the house? To her grandparents' house. Why does Naima have stopped at the plaza? To buy a small present for Thomas. Which of these statements is false? Naima will buy an expensive present. When is Naima likely to get to Thomas' house? At about 5 p.m. Write a letter to the head of publishing house requesting her to publish school textbooks in Braille. To the Managing Director, Oxford University Press, Karachi, dear sir, I sincerely hope that this letter shall find you in good health. The reason I am writing this letter is to suggest to you to publish school textbooks in Braille. As you well know that it is the easiest and most common for blind people to read and study. If you choose to take any further action on my suggestion, then please be mindful to the purchasing power of your customers. Please consider my suggestion. You shall not only be doing a great favor to the blind but shall also be enhancing the prestige to your organization with regards.